to kill you.
You will. Alright. Just kidding. We're not gonna kill you. You all know me as Laguna from our Monster High video.
And is Dracula, right?
Dracula.
Yeah. We just we're just gonna do a scary little photo for you. Don't scream. We're gonna do that scary.
Yeah.
Okay.
We dare makeup all like this. It's all scary.
Yeah, you see it?
I'm a half-faced woman who is a werewolf.
If you see my big beard. So we're just going to make sure you watch
right
this,
here.
and we would love for you to watch it so many times. Okay, we're gonna start
If you
now.
would subscribe to our account, we would love it. Subscribe.
We're gonna start right now.
I'm gonna eat this kitty alive.
We are here to hunt you. How did that hatch us?
Who's just getting all this in the camera? You look like...
I.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna get you. Okay. You may think that we're not in our normal house. Well, we're at our cousin's house.
And if you can see, our house really is haunted. You can see back there, the hat just flew off and flew back on. So, don't try this at home.